Hey everyone, happy Sunday. Please don't mind the yarn bath going on over there. That is a whole matter all on its own. I'm here to talk about mistakes and very obvious mistakes. I started this gorgeous blanket yesterday and I've I really should have just stopped working when I felt tired. And because I didn't, I made this huge, very obvious, unnecessary row, which now in the daylight is just glaring at me. And I have to now frog back about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 rows just to rectify my stupid mistake. So I hope you all have a better Sunday than I am. Although doing what I love, so I suppose that's the perk. I'm gonna just look at it as my silver lining for the day. Frog my work, restart that row, and hopefully finish my blanket. Happy Sunday to everyone. Have a good one. Bye.